Even though the Huawei Watch GT2e is priced slightly cheaper than the Huawei Watch GT2, it still maintains most of the premium features and design language. According to Huawei, the E in Watch GT2e represents energy, vitality and mentality of the youth. With that in mind, it's obvious that Huawei is targeting a much younger demographic with this watch. Hi, I'm Nebaa. Welcome to another tech unboxing. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Now, in the box, apart from the watch, you get a USB-C charging cable, a charging cradle, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. Nothing unusual. You must install the Huawei Health app to set up the Watch GT2e on first boot. It's available on Android and iOS. Turn on your watch, launch the Health app, and click Add a new device. Select Smartwatch, choose GT2 series, wait for the app to detect your smartwatch, and click Pair. The Watch GT2e has a black stainless steel body. This one comes with the red and black straps, which Huawei calls lava red. These straps have such a soft and pleasant feel, with multiple pores to ease sweat evaporation during workouts. If you don't like the red, then the other strap colors are mint green and graphite black. There's also a rare silver body version that comes with white straps. Taking a closer look, you can immediately see the slight body redesign, starting from the flat tapered edge, low profile buttons to the rounded off strap holders, which form an ever so gentle curve between the display and its straps. For someone who's used the Watch GT and Watch GT2 over several months, I can absolutely confirm that due to this design, the Huawei Watch GT2e feels much more comfortable as it embraces and wraps around your wrist. Yes, you can wear it for a long time with no complaints, making it suitable for workouts and sleep tracking. On the flip side, the same design makes it difficult to lay the watch on its back. So for charging, you'd have to either place it on its side or on its face. Turn on the Huawei Watch GT2e and you're greeted by the beautiful crisp 46mm AMOLED display. It's worth noting that there's no 42mm version. This display is really bright even on the default auto settings and in direct sunlight. I don't think anyone would really need to adjust the brightness settings on this watch. There are a good number of nice looking watch faces to choose from, and the punchy vibrant colors of this display makes them sort of come to life every time you look. My personal preference is the graffiti watch face. The GT2e is focused on the active lifestyle. Huawei has tweaked its software a little bit, so it has a few features that the original Watch GT2 doesn't have. Now, if I start swiping to the right, you'd notice that the sleep tracking function is directly accessible from the quick access menu. Out of the box, you don't get this, but there's a setting where you can add or remove the default functions on the quick access menu, and you can also adjust their positions depending on your preference. Unfortunately, you can only select between 6 specific functions. It would have been nice if I could add functions like SpO2 monitoring and breathing exercises directly to the quick access menu. If you're wondering, this option is not available on the original Huawei Watch GT2. The main features of the Huawei Watch GT2e are heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress level tracking, breathing exercises, and blood oxygen level monitoring. There's also this feature where you can use the Watch GT2e as a remote control to take pictures directly on your phone, but it will only be available in a future update and requires EMUI 10.1 running on your phone. No matter how hard I tried, I just couldn't get the start as you move feature to work. It automatically detects your workout and asks if you would like to start tracking it. But Huawei specifies that it is currently limited to 5 workout modes, which include indoor or outdoor running, indoor or outdoor walking, elliptical, and rowing. Talking about fitness tracking, the Huawei Watch GT2e can track 15 professional and 85 custom workout modes. So if you're buying this watch for fitness tracking, you surely would not be disappointed. Just like the previous models, the Watch GT2e has a 2-week battery life. It has 4 GB of onboard storage, which you can use to store and play music during workouts as long as you connect it to a pair of Bluetooth headphones. The main difference between the Huawei Watch GT2 and GT2e is that the latter lacks voice calling over Bluetooth because it doesn't have a microphone and loudspeaker. The Huawei Watch GT2e currently sells at 599 dirhams here in Dubai, but in the UK you would have to pay £160 or $200 in the US. If you'd like to see a full review of the Huawei Watch GT2e, be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. It's been Nebaa, and I'll catch you in the next one.